Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to day number 1. Yes, day number 1, week. It starts to be week 12 for 2024 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this afternoon's classes. Please ensure that you have your book and your pencil ready so we can get started with the classes. And let's begin. Let's head up. My name is Mr. Petit, P-E-T-I-T. Today is what? It has to be Monday.
The 18th of Monday, November 2020.
Thank you. The 18th of November, 2024. The subject is, of course,
Math.
yes, ma'am, mathematics. And we're going to be looking at
Excuse us, Petit. We got our subjects for science for exam.
Really? What y'all gonna be going? What y'all are going over?
We have cells, sponges, all the digestive systems, and other parts of your teeth.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Take a picture and send it to me.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna be looking at Venn diagram. Let me just call it what it is, sets. So set word problems. And this is with Venn diagram, basically the Venn diagrams. Anyone have ever saw a Venn diagram before? You know how it looks?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what we're going to be looking at today. How do we interpret and use a Venn diagram? So we're going to be looking at it with two circles, and then once we get professional at that, then we're going to do it with 3 circles. So the first thing I need you to draw, so you're going to need a ruler and a pencil for this, is I need you to draw a...
May I get my ruler, please?
Yes, you can.
Can I get my school bag?
Yes, you can. So you need to draw a rectangular box, all right? And inside this box, I'm going to need you to put the 2 circles, but they have to be overlapping, all right? They have to be overlapping, all right?
Excuse me, Ms. Petit.
Go ahead.
How many lines to use?
How many lines? I'd say use like 6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 6 is good enough. Okay. So we're gonna call so please draw the overlapping circles. We're gonna call the first set A, and we're gonna call the second set B. So we call this one set A. That's the name of the set. And we're gonna call this one set B. All right. So that's what we have, A and B. All right. Armin, how does your circles look?
It's looking good.
Looking good. Kaden, how does your circle look?
It's kind of looking good.
All right. So we call this one A and we call this one B. Make sure there's overlapping space in between. All right. You could use a compass or you could use a circular edge to make sure it's a good circle. All right, now we're gonna put the numbers inside. So we're gonna call this, let's say, This is 1. And then this is 2. And this is 3. Where's Lorenda? Lorenda, can you hear me? This is 3, and this is...
Mr. Petit. Lorenda types good afternoon in the chat.
Thank you. This is 4. This is...
Mr. Petit, my circles aren't that big. Is that fine?
They need to be big enough so that
Yes,
they could... All right, and then 6 in the middle. So we have 4, 5, and 6 in the middle. And on this side, we have let's say 7. 8.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit. Sorry for my lateness.
Good afternoon. Quickly draw the sum legacy, a 9. On the outside, we have 10. Okay. So that's what we have. So I want you to draw this. So instructions. I want you to use the Venn diagram. So use the Venn diagram to answer the following questions. Use the Venn diagram to answer the following questions.
Mr. Petit, may I get a ruler, please?
Yes, we can. So, Madeline, how does your circles look?
I'm drawing my circles right now.
Okay, and Asia, how does your circles look?
Kind of good.
Kind of good. And Najara, how do your circles look?
It looks good because I use something to draw it.
Okay, that's good. Kaden, you finished with this?
I'm writing the instructions.
Okay, go ahead, Maya.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second. Oh, yes, Madeline.
May I go get another pencil?
Yes, we can. Go ahead, Maya.
Can I send my Venn diagram in the chat?
Yes, we can.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
My mom and my parents had left to go walk some laps at a track, so I might not be able to send in my work.
That's no problem. Once they arrive, then you can send it. Braden, what happened?
Yes, sir.
I was talking to my father.
Oh, okay. Tajane, how does your circles look?
They look good.
That's good. Okay, so let's answer the questions that we have.
Excuse me, Ms. Petit.
Go ahead.
On my screen, it says that you would like to unmute me, so.
I would like to what?
Unmute me. On my screen, it said that.
No, that was a mistake.
I sent it to the chat.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. So the first question says that we want to determine. So I want to determine, Wynette, how does your diagram look? Yeah, write it down. So determine, Wynette, how does your stuff look?
A bit awkward.
Okay. The first thing we need to figure out is what is this number one. So we want to determine what is AI. What is set A? That's what we want to figure out. What is set A? What are the elements in set A? That's what we're trying to figure out. Now we use curly brackets for sets. And so when we say that we want set A, what we're saying is Alora, please turn your camera. Lorenda, Cooper, turn your camera, please. Trinity, turn on your camera. Herman, turn on your camera. So we want to figure out what are the elements in set A. Now the elements in set A, right? The elements in set A is going to be all of the elements that are inside of this circle. That's what we mean by set A. All right. All of the elements inside of the circle is set A. Do you all understand that?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, I understand.
So what is going to be the elements in set A?
1, 2,
1,
1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4,
3, 4,
5,
5,
and 6.
and 6. Very good. And 6. So let's go ahead and write that down. So we have A is going to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Does that make sense? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is B going to be equal to? What is B going to be equal to?
7, 8, 9.
Say it again.
7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so let's circle all of B, right? All of B is going to be, let's highlight all of B. So all of B is going to be, we want all of B, right? So all of B is going to be all of the elements inside of this circle. That's what all of B is. So we have what?
I have a question, Mr. Petit.
4, 5, 6,
7,
7, 8, and 9. All right?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
and you're doing this, will you always get 4, 5, and 6?
No. It's just the numbers that's in the middle right now. So 4, 5, and 6. 6, 7, 8, and 9, that's all of B. All right. So let's write that down. So that means that we have all of B is going to be equal to 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Good. Oh, and what did we forget? We forget 7, 8, and 9. All right. Do you all understand that? Let me know, please. If you all understand that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. So
When I don't really understand it, how could 4, 5, and 6 be in both of? Oh, okay, never mind. I see now. I see.
yeah. So 4, 5, and 6 is in both of them, right? It's in both A and B. All right. So Maya, what are the elements of A?
The elements of A are 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, and 6.
Where's Alora? Alora, are you writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trinity, what are the elements of B?
The elements of B are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Good. Kaden, what are the elements of A?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Class, doesn't Herman and Kaden look alike?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They look like twins. They look like twins.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's insane. Kaden, what are the elements of B?
I thought Herman was Kate, and I didn't know.
Yeah,
I
that's
didn't
Kate.
know that.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Yes. Very good. You understand this, Kaden?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have Wynette twin and we have Herman's twin.
I'm Trinity.
Madeline
Okay, it's fine. I always make it
and
better.
Herman twin is Kaden.
Yeah. Okay, next. And
Oh, and Mr. Petit.
yes.
I wouldn't say that they're Kylie and Trinity are twins. They don't really look alike, but they sound the
They
same.
do sound alike, yes, for sure. They do sound
So
alike.
they're voice twins.
Yeah, they're voice twins. Okay, next. So what we want to do is, the next thing we want to do is we want to figure out, so we know what is A and we know what is B. I want to know what is A only. What are the elements in A only?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3. Very good. So A only is going to be, what are the elements that are only inside of A? So we're looking at just this as A only. All right. Trinity, does that make sense?
The diagram?
I mean, the answer to the question, we want A only. So A only is going to be which numbers?
1
What else?
and 3.
1, 2, 3. But we do not include any of these because we're only looking at A only, not all of A, just A only. All right. So again, A only is going to be 1, 2, and 3. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Now we want, so we had A only. Let me move this. So that's, notice that I put them inside of curly brackets because that's how we represent sets. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
If we're doing a Glat test, I'm gonna use like the straight bracket. Will we get points off?
No, I'm gonna show you a question that coming in the Glat exam. Let me get the one. I'll show you what to do. All right. Now B only.
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Yeah,
7,
B
8, 9.
very good. B only is gonna be. This is Kaden. 1 second. Where's Kaden?
Right up.
What is B only?
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, and 9. Very good. So 7, 8, and 9. Wynette, what is B only?
7, 8, and 9.
And Asia, what is B only? Asia, what is B only? I don't know if she can hear me. Asia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is 7? What is B only? Hey, Asia, what is B only?
7, 8, and 9.
Very good. Allura, what is A only?
1, 2, and 3.
What is B only?
7, 8, 9.
Good. Next, I want,
This
what
is
is, next, 1 second. Next, I want A and B. What elements are in A and B?
1, 2, 3,
A and
1, 2, 3.
No.
4, 5, and 6.
I want, what is in A and B?
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
4, 5, and 6.
Good. 4, 5, and 6.
I'm
Go ahead.
finished with the diagrams.
Very good. I need you to do the questions now. So A and B is going to be what? 4,
6,
4,
5,
5.
5, and
and
6. Yes. All right.
You're using Roman numerals.
Okay, good. So, Allura, what is in A and B?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, and 6. And when we say A and B, we actually call this, as a word we use, we actually call this the intersection. The intersection. When you reach in grade 7, the way they're gonna symbolize this is they're gonna say A intersect B. All right.
Mr. Petit, I did this in grade 5.
Me too.
That's good.
I just did this in grade 5 too, but I didn't do all that.
Yeah, you didn't do all of this. Yeah, they start teaching Venn diagrams early. But I mean, these symbols, you don't learn all of the symbols until grade 7, 8, or 9. All right. So we have A and B, which is going to be 4, 5, and 6. That's this in the middle. So A intersect B is 4, 5, and 6. That's the intersection. That's what's in both of them. All right. And then tell me what is in neither A or B.
10.
10.
Very good.
10.
10.
10.
10.
Yeah, 10 is in neither. 10 is in neither A or B. B equal to 10. All right. Are y'all done with this diagram? Let me know, please, if you're done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Take a picture of it
Yeah.
and send it to me via
I'm
WhatsApp.
done with the diagram.
But you still want that side.
And apparently, I got pretty good circles.
That's good.
Mr. Petit, I can't send it. My parents are not home at the moment.
Okay. When your mother comes home, then you can send it, okay, Kaden?
My son who me though.
Okay. But for the rest of you, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, for the rest of you, take a
My
picture of
mom
your work and
isn't
send it
here though.
Okay, no problem. But for the rest of you, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me.
Go ahead.
You still want that science?
Yes, I still want to know. Tajane. Where's Tajane?
Yes, sir.
You send this to me as yet?
I'm sending it now.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petit. I'm not sure if you're going to get the work right away because I have to send it to my mom. But
You mean this is Lorenda?
yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Where's Kylie?
Yes, sir.
Can you turn your camera? Okay, there we go. Kylie, do you have this written down as yet?
Yes, sir.
Pardon?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you writing it down, Kylie?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what part are you on?
I just now come.
So which part are you on?
I on the chart.
You on the chart, okay. So Kylie, 1 second. Kylie, what are the elements in A?
Excuse me.
1 second, I'm asking Kylie a question. Kylie, what are the elements in A?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. What are the elements in B?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good. What are the elements in A only?
1, 2, 3.
What are the elements in B only?
7, 8, 9.
And what are the elements in A and B?
4, 5, 6.
And what are the elements in neither A or B?
10.
10. Good. Okay, so let's do another diagram.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Tajani.
I was having trouble for some reason drawing the brackets because I thought it was kind of see it. So
Difficult? Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, go ahead. Say it again.
I send the science topics to you.
Okay, no problem. All right, let's go ahead and do another one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Monthly exams start tomorrow.
Your exams are tomorrow?
And a month exam.
And a month. What school do you attend?
Sadie Curtis.
Sadie Curtis, okay. So your exams already starting?
Yep.
Final exams?
Some class exams already start in my
Sadie,
school.
what? So what
Grade
when your school closing?
I believe the 20th.
20th of December?
I have to check.
Okay, no problem. All right, let's do another one. Now this one is actually a word problem, so we're gonna draw another Venn diagram. So draw the rectangle again, right? Draw the rectangle again. And you're gonna draw the two circles as well.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I get a ruler?
Yes, you can. And in the top, I want us to put Miss Brown's class.
That would be the topic.
So Miss Brown's class. Let me put this like this. And then let's say that this one says K kids. K kids on this side. So we have K kids on this side. And on the other side, we have, say, 1 second. I don't know why that's like that. And then on the side, we have Red Cross. So we have K Kids and Red Cross. And in the middle is, say, 6. Let me enlarge this. And on the side is 8. On the other side.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, go ahead.
Do we have to write it as big as you?
What do you mean, the
No.
words? The number? Once they fit in the circle.
That's it.
On the outside, we have, say, 3. Okay, so it says there are 24 students in Miss Brown class. The diagram shows the number of students in the class that belong to the K club, the K Kids Club, and the number of
Miss
students.
Petit,
Yes,
I'm in K Kids.
you in K Kids?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else in K Kids?
I am.
Me. My
Brayden?
teacher, his name is Williams Brown.
All right, K. Who else in K Kids? K Kids.
I am. I'm the
Lincoln. You are the what?
security.
The what?
The security.
The security. Okay.
And I'm the vice president.
You're the vice president. Okay. What is K Kids all about anyway?
Like helping.
Raising funds.
Yeah, you could
Raising funds.
the people in jail could give their children presents for Christmas and stuff.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's for helping kids.
If helping kids, okay.
Like
Okay.
Tomorrow
So,
we're gonna sell ice cream.
oh, okay, like that, like community service and stuff. So K
Mr.
Kids.
Petit,
Miss Petit.
just think of like a brownie clubs when they do like the Girl Scout with the cookies and stuff. It's like that, like when you sell stuff and then the fundraisers, they would give it to like children in need or the orphanage.
Oh, okay, okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, well, not yesterday. Last week we sold cupcakes and we got a total of $32.
Oh, from the cupcakes being sold.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you just donate what you get. Okay.
Yes,
So, what is the total number? Total number of students that participates in the first one, the participates in number 1, the K clubs, the K Kids Club, the Red Cross organization, go ahead, Madeline. Can you read the top part for me, please? There are?
There are 24 students in Mrs. Brown's class. The diagram shows the class that belongs,
The number of students.
the number of students in the class that belong to the K Kids Club, and the number of students that belong to the Red Cross organization.
A.
A. What is the total number of students that participates in one, the K Kids Club,
Mhm.
the Red Cross organization.
Very good. Anyone have any answer for this one? I want to know what is the total number of students that participates in the K Kids Club, and what is the total number of students that participates in the Red Cross Club?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Why is there a giant 3 under the Red Cross?
That's the. Can I tell her?
Laura's laughing.
Excuse me, Miss Petit. Can I tell her?
I wasn't here for the whole time.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead, Maya.
I don't know what that is, you know.
Go ahead,
Can
Maya.
I tell that?
Yes, you could tell us.
So the big 3 underneath the Red Cross, it tells how much students are not a part of a organization.
Very good.
So students
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So basically, it tells it can't be possible.
So it tells you that 3 students are not a part of K Kids or Red Cross. Okay. Understand that? Okay.
Not
So
really, because there could be lots of numbers that aren't a part of this.
there's only one on the outside. See, it's on the outside of the circles. All right. So it's only 3 that's not 3 students that are neither in K Kids or Red Cross. But I want to know how many students are a part of the K Kids Club.
14.
What y'all think?
Is it 14?
Why you say 14?
Because the question asks how much students are in the K Kids Club, and in the if we look at the Venn diagram, it says 8 are in the K Kids, and then there would be 6 that are in the K Kids and the Red Cross. So I just have to add 8 plus 6, which got me 14.
I agree. So when they say K Kids Club, they're referring to which circle?
The first circle.
The same one.
And when they asked for the total is keyword for add.
Yeah. So they want all of the kids that are in the K Kids Club. So we're referring to this particular circle. And so that means in order for us to get it, what we have to do, we have to add what?
8 plus 6.
8 plus 6.
8 plus what?
6.
8 plus 6. And that gives us what?
14.
14.
14.
14. All right, do y'all understand that? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Go ahead, Lincoln,
May I use the bathroom, please?
as we can.
Thank you.
So the number of students in the K Kids Club are 14. Where's Kylie? Where's Kylie?
Yes, sir.
You need to turn your camera. Oh, I can see you now. Let me ask you a question. Kylie, how many students are in the K Kids Club?
14.
How did we get 14?
8 plus 6.
Where did we get the 8 from?
The first circle
Good. And where do we get the 6 from?
in the middle.
Good. Once we have to add, because this entire circle is for the K Kids Club. All right, so A
I have
plus
a
6 is
question.
going to be that. Yes, go ahead, Najara.
When we're doing, do we have to show the 8 plus 6?
Yes, show the 8 plus 6. You have to show the 8 plus 6. All right, let's do another one. What is the total number of students that participates in the Red Cross? In the Red
16.
Cross.
I'm done.
16.
Red Cross, what's the
16.
16.
16? How do we get 16?
16.
So add
6 plus 10.
10 plus 6.
6.
Very good. Kaden, you understand this? Where's Kaden?
Yes, sir.
Good. So it's gonna be 6 plus 10. Herman, do you understand this? Where's Herman?
Excuse me.
Good. Yes, go ahead.
Excuse me,
Can
Mr.
we
Potato.
fill up the brackets?
No, you don't have the other brackets for this one.
Mr. Potato, I also have a question.
Go ahead.
Is it possible for us to not have a whole number in the middle?
At your level, no. No, we wouldn't. No, typically a whole number. All right. Next question. I want how many in K kit? 1 second. Let me it's gonna be 8 plus 6, which gives me 14, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. And we have 10 plus 6, 10 plus 6, which equals to 16. All right, next I want the total number of students that are in K Kids Club only. K Kids Club only. What the answer is gonna be for that one? And then I want
8.
and I want the Red Cross organization only. All right. Let me don't make it in bold because they're not always gonna bold it. Only. Now,
10.
if I want for K clubs only, what's the answer gonna be for K kids? For K kids
8.
only. 8.
8.
Very good. 8. Very good. 8. Trinity, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Good. So it's gonna be 8. And then for Red Cross, how much is gonna be?
10.
10.
10.
Very good. 10.
10.
10. Okay, next. Kaden, you understand this? That's Kaden. Kaden, Kwant, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Kaden, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand how we got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you need to turn your camera, Kaden. Asia, turn your camera as well. Joel and Gianna, turn your camera. All right. How many? Tajana, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
How many students at the school are the members of both the K kids, and the Red Cross organizations. How many students are members? How many students at the school are the members of both the K Kids and the Red Cross organizations? What y'all have for this one?
6.
Where's Lorenda? Lorenda, are you there?
6.
Good. The answer is going to be 6 students.
6.
Very good, 6 students.
6.
Good. Lynette, you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Where's Herman? Herman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How many students are members of both the Red Cross
6.
and K Kids?
8.
Say it again.
Three.
No. How many students are members of both the Red Cross and K Kids?
10.
No. The answer is what? In the middle? 6. Very good. Okay, good. Brayden, how many students are members of both the Red Cross and K Kids?
6.
Good. So move on to part C. It's a good question. Part C says, what fraction of the students do not belong to any of the clubs?
Is it 1/3?
What fractions of the students do not belong to any of the clubs?
Is it 1/3?
3.
No, 3. It's a what fraction though?
Is it 1/3?
It's not 1/3.
3 out of 24.
3 out of 24. But we have to write our answer. Write your answer.
I
And
was
it's
going to say that answer, but I was scared it wasn't right.
yeah, in simplest form. Don't be afraid. All right, so what fraction belongs to and do not belong to any of the organizations? It's going to be
3.
3 out of what?
24.
24. If
3
you
out of
add all
24.
If you simplify it, it's 1/8.
So 3 out of 24, and then if you simplify, it's going to be what? 1 over
8.
1 over 8. How do we get that? It's 3 out of 24 because you look at this 3 on the outside, and the 3 means it doesn't belong to any of the organizations. So it's going to be 3 out of 24. But we have to simplify it, don't we? So we have to divide the top by what?
3
By 3, and we have to divide the bottom
by 3.
by 3. And it's going to be equal to 3 divided by 3 is what?
1.
1.
1.
24 divided by 3 is what?
8.
8. So it's 1 over
8.
8.
1 over 8. Very good. One over 8. All right. Do y'all understand this? Let me know if y'all understand this.
I do.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let me,
Yes,
let
I
me-
understand this.
I understand.
Very good.
I understand.
Good. Madeline, do you understand?
I understand.
I'll be right back.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Can I
Okay.
go, please?
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. V.
Yes.
I could go to my room.
Yes. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
I'm not finished, Mr. Petit, but I'm almost done.
Okay. Madeline, are you paying attention or are you doing something else?
I'm paying attention.
What number you on, or what letter I should say?
C.
See. Kate and Quant, you understand how we got 1/8?
Kind of.
Kinda. Do you know how to simplify fractions?
Yes, sir.
So we have 3/24. Now, what does the 3 mean? What does this 3 mean?
How much people are not inside K Kids or Red Cross?
Yeah. So it's 3/24. Why we say out of 24?
Because that's how much students are in both.
Yeah, that because that's how many students are in both, right? And so what we have to do is we have to divide top and bottom by 3. Okay. So we say 3 divided by 3, which is what? Which is what? Your mic is muted.
3 divided by 3 is
1, very good. And 24 divided by 3 is what?
8.
8. All right. So it's going to be 1/8. Give me one moment, please. Give me one moment. All right, you already sent it to me, right? Madeline, Trinity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead and do
I
activity.
sent it to you.
Okay, good. Kaden, where's your work? Kaden.
My mother sent it.
Okay. Okay, good. All right. Let's go ahead and answer these. So for this one, I'm gonna give you all one to try on your own, which means that you have to actually write it down and then try it. So, and then we can go over it together as a class.
Or can I answer in the chat?
No, we actually answering it. Like this is not put your answers side to
Like a
side.
graded exercise.
Like a great exercise, exactly. That's exactly what it is. So,
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
go ahead.
I left at the house to go inside the hotel room, so the Wi-Fi might not be the best.
Okay, that's no
So I
problem.
might get knocked off.
That's fine, no problem.
Excuse me, Subati.
Uh-huh.
Do we have to draw the diagram again?
Yes.
I have a question, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
When we're gonna draw the diagram in Glat, will they give us
No,
the
no, no,
number?
no, no, no. Then you don't have to draw the diagram like that. They can give you the. They can give you the. They're gonna give you the
The book
diagram.
with it in it.
Yeah, you don't have to draw the diagram.
Yes, sir.
But all the numbers is already gonna be in it. All right. So this one you have wrestling and then you have soccer. So on the side you have 6, 16 in the middle, 12, and 3. I wonder if y'all could see my screen. Okay. And the questions are the following.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, you can, quickly.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, your screen is black.
Okay, no problem. I could fix that.
Thank you, I can see it.
All right, question number 1 says, how many students like wrestling or soccer? How many students do not like wrestling? No, I like, wait, let me change these questions. Sorry. Don't do number 1. The students do not like wrestling. Don't do number 2.
Mr. Petit, I can't see number 1.
No, I'm just there. All right, do number 3. So number 3 is the new number 1.
Me neither. I
This
can't
is
see number 1.
number 2. This and that's number 2. How many students like soccer? Okay, number 3. Yep, number 4. Yeah, number 5. How many students like only wrestling? Number 5. How many students? Number 6. How many students do not like either soccer or wrestling? Yeah, only those 6.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
Wouldn't number 2 make sense? Because you could put 12.
No, I'm not saying it doesn't make sense. I just don't want you to do it.
Oh, okay.
So Mr. Petit, number 3 is number 1.
Yes, number 3 is number 1. Lynette, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. You ready to draw the diagram and everything?
Yes, so I just have to fix up the circle a bit.
Okay. Trinity, you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, can I go
Okay.
open the door for my family, please?
Yes, you can. Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on?
On number 1.
Asia, what number you on?
Going on number 2.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Can I put my laptop on charge?
Yes, you can. Braden, what number you on?
4.
4. Najara Campbell, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Madeline Lockhart, what number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Number 2. Trinity, what number you on?
Number 3.
Lorenda, is Lorenda here?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
3.
Number 3. Tajani, what number you on?
4.
And Herman, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4, okay. Where is Caden Quant? Caden Quant, where is he?
Right there.
Okay, Caden, you have to turn on your camera.
I'm gonna turn it on right now.
Allura, what number you on, Allura? Allura? Allura, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1, you understand what to do? Brenda, what number you on? Lorenda, sorry.
Pardon me?
What number you on?
4 now.
Okay, you have to turn on your camera, Lorenda. You understand me? Good. Tajani, what number you on?
Number
What number you on, Tajani?
5.
Number 5, okay. Tiana, is Joel there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maya, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3, okay. Allura, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, Herman, what number you on?
I'm finishing up number 1.
Okay, no problem. Thinking, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4, okay.
Wait, Mr. Petit, are we doing the last one?
No,
Okay, I see.
stop at
Yes,
number,
sir.
stop at number 6.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm done.
Okay, if you finish, take a picture of your work and send it to me, please, via WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Good. For those of you who have finished, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Yes, go ahead.
I'm finished.
You finished as well, Trinity?
Yes, sir.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Ms. Petit, I'm gonna join on my laptop also,
Okay, no
just
problem.
in case.
No problem. That's fine. Trinity and what's his name? Braden, who's finished? Do the next question inside the chat for me, please.
Yes, sir.
Trinity and Braden.
Mr. Petit, excuse me.
Go ahead.
I'm also done. I sent you my work.
Perfect. Go on to the next one. I posted inside the chat. Teacher, what number you on?
Number 5.
I'm done, Mr. Petit.
Okay, good.
I'm
Take
done
a
as
picture.
well.
Take a picture of your work and send it to me, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right. Go ahead and take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. For those of you who are finished. I also posted the second one inside the chat for those of you who are working with that.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I can't open the picture.
You can't open the picture.
Me either.
I can't open the picture. Okay.
I can't open it either.
If you can't open it, download it then. You just see the download icon right there.
I got it open. Mr. Petit, I see why only 6 students like wrestling. Mr. Petit, I got it open.
You got it open, good. Trinity, you got it open?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Braden, you got it open?
I'm also on the last question.
That's good. Braden, you got it open?
No, sir.
Do you see the 3 dots on the side of it, which says copy, delete, or download?
Yes, sir.
Download it. Allura, what number you on?
Number 6.
Number 6, okay. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on the last question.
Lincoln, what number you on now?
I'm on the one in the chat.
Okay. Winnet, what number you on now?
I still can't.
In the chat.
The one in the chat? Did you send the first one to me, please?
I already sent it.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Okay, yes, go ahead.
You can't open it.
You can't open it?
No, sir.
That's strange. I'm gonna send it again. It's not allowing you to download it either.
No, sir.
Try it now.
Mr. Petit, are these questions the questions that are going to be on our exams?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I use bathroom, please.
Yes, you can. The last question about kids and Red Cross was a past exam paper.
I see.
So
Really?
yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, Braden.
It says you don't have permission to open it in this location. Ask the administrator to obtain or something.
I could open mine fine.
Yeah, I don't know why this one is not opening.
What I do is press a little blue arrow on the side. That's what I did too.
Okay. Brayden, let me see.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Gwinnett.
It's not opening either. I'm just tapping on it and it's not letting me open it.
Download it. You
You're
see,
supposed to press the little blue arrow in the corner. When you like put your mouse on it, there's a little blue arrow in the corner.
It should say more.
yeah, it should say more. Yeah, it should say more. All right, for those of you who are working on the second one, I put it on the side. Let me see if I can put this on the back. I put it. I'm gonna put it on this side so y'all got still have it. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on the second
This one, Mr.
one.
Petit.
Okay. Yes, Trinity. Yes, Trinity.
I can't.
Is that the first one on the screen?
It's the second one on the screen on the side.
I can barely see it.
That's why you have the picture.
I'm just gonna zoom in, but if you ask me any questions, it'll take me a second to answer you.
No, what I'm saying is look at the picture in the chat. That's the same thing.
Oh, okay, I see.
Thanks.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Yeah, 3, a backwards 3 outside the box.
Excuse me, Mr.
There's an
Petit.
backward 3 outside the box.
That's what I see on my
I see it on my screen too.
I can see the backward screen 3 as well.
See that too.
A backward. Oh, you mean this?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. That's what we call the universal set. That's the
I don't
universal.
understand.
The universal set. That just means that's not like a number you have to be concerned about. That's what we put just to say that all of this the same backward 3 that we call that epsilon, that represents this rectangle. All right, that's what we mean by the universal set, the rectangle.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I can hear you, but I'm finished.
Could you finish? Okay. Let's go ahead and answer.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
All right, let's go ahead and answer these questions. The first question, Quant, can you read number 1, please?
How many students like both wrestling and soccer?
Very good. Kaden, go ahead and read it again.
How many students like both wrestling and soccer?
What you have for that one?
I added 16. I added 6, 16, and 12, so I come up with 34.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. Class, how many students like both wrestling and soccer? What y'all have for that one?
I have for that one. How many students?
I have 15.
I have
22 students.
No. How many students like both wrestling and soccer?
18.
No.
16.
The answer is 16.
I said 16.
16.
The answer is 16. The answer is
I said
16.
16.
I didn't say you didn't say 16. The answer is 16. Kaden, where's Kaden? Kaden, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Make the correction for me, please. It's 16. That's the one in the middle. All right. Allura, you got it right?
Yes, sir.
Please make it. Put a tick. If you got a tick, if you got it right, please put a tick. Anyone got it? Got this one right?
I did.
I did.
Very
I
good.
did.
Very good. Now, how many students like wrestling?
6.
28.
No. Wrestling is gonna be what?
I mean,
6.
not wrestling.
6 plus what? 6 plus what?
16 plus 6.
22.
6 plus 16, which is what?
It's 22.
16,
I
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22. Did you get this right? Did you all get this right?
Yes.
I got that right. I got that.
Joel and Gianna, did you all get that?
Yes, sir.
Lincoln, did you get it?
For number 2.
Yes, did you get it? How many students like wrestling?
I did not get that.
What you put?
I actually put the wrong answers in the. I mean, I put the right.
I got
answers in the-
28.
No,
Yeah,
they say
I did.
wrestling. Wrestling, you have to add the 6 and the 16.
I added it right, and I put the right answers.
I
in the
meant
wrong.
the way I still wasn't gonna get that wrong.
Where is Kaden? Kaden, did you get number 2 right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Trinity, you got number 2 right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, how many students like soccer?
28. 28. 28.
16. 16 plus what? 12.
I mean 28.
28.
16 plus 12 is what?
28.
28.
28. Very good. 28. Anyone got number 3 right? Let me know, please.
I did.
I get it. I get it.
I did.
Very good. Number 5. How many students like only soccer? Soccer only.
Well, 12.
Soccer only. Soccer only is what?
12.
12. 12. Y'all got that? Y'all got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. How many students like only wrestling? Only wrestling.
6.
Only wrestling?
6.
6. Very good. Oh my goodness. 6. So we have 6. This is what? 28. This is what? 22. And this is what? 16. What we have for number 5?
6.
This is Miss Petite.
How many students only like wrestling?
6.
6. Wait, they're supposed to be soccer is 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Soccer is 12.
Excuse me, Miss Petite.
Go
I
ahead.
mixed questions a little.
Oh, I see. I see. How many students?
Yeah.
How many students do not like either wrestling or soccer?
3.
3.
3.
3.
What, anyone got
3.
all right? Anyone got all
I
right?
did.
I
We
did.
got all right.
Anyone got all right? Anyone got one wrong? One wrong.
I did. I
Kaden
did.
got one wrong. Wynette, what you got? Wynette,
all right.
you got all right. Very good. All right. Once you take a picture of your work and send it to me, have a wonderful evening. See you tomorrow at 4:30. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mr. Petite.
All right. Take care.
Bye, Miss Petite. Thank you for teaching us today.
Thank you as well. Take care.
Bye.
All right.
You too.
Have a good night.